students. I am Mohammad Tajul Islam, Assistant Teacher of English, Dakar Multilateral High School and College. I hope that all of you are well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to present a class on English past paper for the students of class 9 and 10. And our topic is the Great of the Mighty Rivers, Unit 5, Lesson 1. So, without wasting time, let's start the lesson. First of all, we have to go through the text, and I am going through the text, and you must listen to me very carefully, and you may also see the textbook if it is possible. Lesson 1. The Great of the Mighty Rivers. Meherjan lives in Islam on the Shiraz Jonestown Protection Embankment. Her polythene roof shelter looks like a case. She is nearly 45 but looks more than her age. In front of her shelter, she is trying to make a fire to cook the day's only meal. Her weak hands trembled as she added some fallen leaves and straw to the fire. The whispering wind from the river Jamuna makes the fire unsteady. The dancing flames remind Meherjan of the turmoil in her life. Not long ago, Meherjan had everything, a family, valuable land and cattle. The erosion of the Jamuna gradually consumed all her landed property. It finally claimed her only shelter during the last monsoon. It took the river only a day to devour her Meher's house, trees, vegetable garden, and bamboo bush. She had a happy family once. Over the years, she lost her husband and her family to diseases that cruel hunger and poverty brought to the family. Now she is the only one left to live on with the loss and the pain. The greedy Jamuna has shattered her dreams and happiness. There are thousands others waiting to share the same fate like Meherjan. Bangladesh is a land of rivers, some of whose banks overflow or erode during monsoon. Erosion is a harsh reality of the people living along the river banks. During each monsoon, many more villages are threatened by the mighty rivers like the Jamuna, the Bodda, and the Meghna. It is estimated that river erosion makes at least 1 lakh people homeless every year in Bangladesh. In fact, river erosion is one of the main dangers posed by climate change. If we can take prompt actions to adapt to climate change, there will be thousands of more Meherjans in our towns and villages every year. Dear students, we have gone through the basis, and now we will discuss some difficult words from the basis. First of all, word and meanings. Roofed means covered with a roof. Ceilinged, tremble, vibration, shake or quake. Whispering, tremble, unrest, a state of great trouble. Erosion, decay, wasting, the state of decaying by wind, water or any other natural agent. Devour, crush, to destroy or ruin. Shatter, destroy, demolish or ruin. Threatened, frightened, state one's intention to take hostile action against someone. Adapt, adjust, accommodate. Unsteady, insecure, shaky or unstable. Now, this is the difficult and important word and meaning from the passage. Now I am going to discuss the passage elaborately, and you must listen to me very attentively to understand the passage. In the passage, we find that Meherjan is an example of shelterless woman who lives in Islam. She has made a very little hut with polythene. She leads an inhuman life. Once she had everything. She had a happy family, house, husband, children, land and property. But the greedy Jamuna devoured her happiness. The erosion of the Jamuna consumed all her landed properties. Last of all, it took away her house during the last monsoon. As a result, she became shelterless. So she was forced to take shelter in Islam on the Shirazgun's town protection embankment. Her family faced hunger and poverty. Her husband and other members of the family died one after another owing to diseases and lack of treatment. Now she is the only person alive of her family with the loss and pain. It is estimated that at least 1 lakh people in Bangladesh are losing their shelter every year for the erosion of big rivers like Yamuna, Meghna and Padma. In fact, river erosion is the result of climate change. So we must take proper steps to control climate change. Otherwise, we have to face sorrows and we have to face serious consequences. Now, we will see some multiple choice from the passage. Question number 1. Choose the correct answer from the following alternatives. Number A. What is the river mentioned in the passage? Option 1. The Jamuna, 2. The Padma, the Meghna, all the above. Correct answer, the Jamuna. Once Meherjan was option 1 solvent, 2 insolvent, 3 poor, 4 impoverished. Correct answer, solvent. Number C. Dash has made Meherjan's life miserable. Old age, option A 1 old age, 2 sickness, 3 river erosion, 4 frustration. Correct answer, river erosion. Number D. River erosion is the result of option 1 climate change, 2 natural disaster, 3 cyclone, 4 earthquake. Correct answer, climate change. Number E. Meherjan is a of dash. Option 1 middle aged women, option 2 old aged women, 3 young women, 4 teenaged women. Correct answer, middle aged women. Number F. What does the word roar mean? Option 1 smile, 2 cry, 3 moan, 4 to make loud, deep, harsh sound. Correct answer, to make loud, deep, harsh sound. Number G. Meherjan's husband died of option 1 cholera, 2 flood, 3 diseases, 4 accident. Correct answer, diseases. Now we are going to the question number 2. We have to answer 5 questions from the passage, each carrying 2 marks. Number A. Why does Meherjan look older than her age? Meherjan looks older than her age because she lost everything owing to the erosion of the river Yamuna. Now, she has no earning, she cannot earn any money, so she cannot buy her food, and she also suffers from diseases. She has no money to buy medicine, so she looks older than her age. Number B. How did Meherjan's husband die? After losing everything owing to the erosion of the river Yamuna, Meherjan's family became helpless. They had nothing. They did not have any money to buy food. They also suffered from various diseases. They did not have any money to buy treatment, to buy medicines. They cannot spend any money for food or treatment. That is why Meherjan's husband died owing to hunger and lack of treatment. Number C. Where does Meherjan live? Correct answer, Meherjan lives on the town of Sirazganj. Sirazganj Town Protection Dam. Sirazganj Town Protection Embankment. Number D. What do you know about the past life of Meherjan? Previously, Meherjan lived a very happy life. She had a happy family, house, land property, and everything. She had husband and children. She lost everything owing to the erosion of the river Yamuna. Number E. How can we stop river erosion? To stop river erosion, we have to control the climate change. That is why we have to be aware of the consequence of climate change, and we must take necessary action to stop climate change. And if we can control climate change, we can stop river erosion. These answers, you may answer these questions in different way too. Now, this is you may find many other questions in this passage, and this is the end of the class for today, and we will see again in our next class. Since then, Allah Hafiz.